Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. Today we're going to teach you how to use command prompt to chkdsk. Let's take a look. Part 1. Run chkdsk from command prompt. Part 2. Run chkdsk from other tools. Chkdsk is also writing chkdsk. It's a Windows utility that can check the file system integrity of your hard disk and can fix various file system errors on drives. Sometimes you need to run chkdsk.exe to solve your problems. Just keep watching to learn more. The most common way to access chkdsk is from command prompt. Now let's take an example of Windows 10. Press Windows and R and type cmd. Press Enter. Then you will get into command prompt, and you can start a chkdsk with the command line. You can type this and hit Enter to see all the commands you can input. If you cannot boot your computer, you can use the original installation disk to run command prompt. Now let's test the integrity of the G drive, for example. You can type chkdsk G. To find and repair any errors in G drive, we can type this instead. Of course, command prompt is not the only way to check disks. Let's see other ways. Apart from using command prompt to launch chkdsk tool, you can also access it from the partition properties. Get into this PC and right-click the drive you want to check. Select Properties. Click Tools and click Check. Using command prompt chkdsk or partition properties to scan the drive for errors and fix them is very useful to Windows users. However, you should know that if you misuse the commands, you may cause the data loss, so you'd better make a backup of your data before using command line. Or you can find a safer alternative to command prompt. Almay Partition Assistant is a great tool that can help you check errors and fix them. It is really easy to handle, especially for those non-technical users. Just Google Almay Partition Assistant, download and install it. Run Almay Partition Assistant and come to its interface. It will display the basic situation of your hard drives. Select the partition that you want to check for. Right-click on it, select Advanced, and click Check Partition. It will pop up a small window that you can select the way of checking errors to perform. Choose one according to your needs, and click OK. If the partition you selected is being used by another process, a window will pop up to tell that you can continue the operation if this partition is dismounted, but it will make all the running programs invalid. You can click yes or not, just according to your own situation. This video showed you 3 ways to run chkdsk. Apart from checking partition for bad sectors, Almay Partition Assistant has many other features that can help you manage your hard drives better. Hope this video can save your time and effort before you start to operate. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We are here to help you with any questions.